How to use. Greater than if one is looking to buy the shares, then the green and red line should be above the yellow line and buy symbol must be generated over the graph. Targets will be green lines. Greater than if one is looking to sell the shares, then the green line should be below the red line and red line should be below the yellow line and sell symbol must be generated over the graph. Targets will be red lines. How to set up. Step 1. To use this indicator you need to have a TradingView account. If you don't have an account, click here to open an account. Step 2. Open Apple 15 minutes chart, then go to Pine Editor, then paste the code and click on Save and Add to Chart. The target price, TP, is according the rule of price movement. It uses as target price for intraday, short-term trader, with these three categories of price: 1. Price less than RM 0.202. Price in between RM 0.20, RM 1.003. Price higher than RM 1.00. Each categories with TP1, TP2, TP3. If your budget is constant, the highest the stock price you purchased, the amount of profit will getting less. The movement of price is more to get same amount of profit compared with lowest stock price. This rule I learned from group of traders, but I found it inconvenience that I have to calculate every times for every trades. I will be trading a lot of error if I do so. Thus I think of to make this rule to an indicator for convenience use. Pro. Other than using BB, support and resistant, fib and so on as target price, this may be a good reference. Con. Stock price which is extremely high may not work well, because the categories of price is only till price higher than 1. It may need some adjustment for higher stock prices. TP. This software provides you with more than just buy/sell signals, and the next few minutes you will learn how to use it for maximum results. How it works. Your software provides you with more than just buy/sell signals, and the next few minutes you will learn how to use it for maximum results. Area A is where you will see your account information and market analysis data, plus, most importantly, the detailed trading signal. Area B is where you will find buy/sell signals, plus entry/stop loss/target lines. Area A. In this area, you would see a buy/sell signal, yellow sign, and entry line, stop loss line and take profit line. Entry line is the dotted yellow line, stop loss line is the bold yellow line and target line is the dark orange line. Default take profit and stop loss for this version is 25 pips. You can change these values if you wish from the indicator settings anytime for any specific trade. Trading with the signals. This version of the software works best for scalping and intraday trading. You can use it with all major pairs, but you must use it only with these time frames: 5M, 15M, 30M and 1H. Once you attach the indicator to any chart for any pair, go through all the above time frames until you get a signal. Once there is a signal you should get an alarm window, then confirmation data, signals details, would show up in both area A and B, as explained. If you get two signals, for two different time frames for the same pair, you can open two separated trades for each signal or choose the higher time frame.